Hey guys, it's Wednesday and today is Alumni Day. So, sobrang excited ako guys kasi nga finally makakasama ko na naman yung mga kababata ko when I was in elementary. So, sobrang excited na makita ko sila again. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual. And aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales and continuation also with our reports kasi nga malapit na din yung month end. So, that would be my agenda for today guys. So actually, hindi pa naman tayo loaded of paperworks today guys kasi nga wala pa naman tayong delivery as of today. So obviously guys, medyo chill muna tayo today. So anyway, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang din muna ako.
Nakita kasi sa bagong system nila. January 26, bill month. Naku, variety is 965.69. So, waray other charges. Total amount due 965.69. Status unpaid. Ang Diyos. Mami, January 27 ba yun eh?
So, anyway guys, after work, is umuwi na din muna kami para makapagpahinga and then at the same time is makapag-prepare kami kung ano yung pwede naming dalhin during alumni night. So, sobrang excited talaga ako guys. So, anyway, as what you have noticed, andito na kami sa court and sobrang daming tao talaga yung umattend ng alumni nights and kasama ko nga pala yung partner ko dito and I'm so happy kasi nga nakasama ko ulit yung mga kabatchmates ko when I was in elementary. So, sobrang daming live na napag-usapan namin and we also shared our experiences in life. So, sobrang happy ko talaga. And anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-enjoy lang din muna kami.
You're
naman sila, 40. Very good.